Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at how to use mail merge productively. We'll be using Excel to help us as a data source, and this will help us in making our work a little more easier than copy paste. Okay, let's open our Excel file. Let's type in the titles and fill out the information. Once we have the information fed in, we will save this Excel sheet. It depends on whatever you want to save it as. Here I've saved it as database. We open a Word document and type in the information needed. Once we have the document ready, we can save it. And now we're looking for mail merge. This can be found under the title of tools. Once we have it open, we choose what kind of source we're looking at. In this, we're not typing a new one, we're just connecting the database we have, and then we start linking the information. We set it in place and we mail merge. If you look closely, we have all the documents ready one after the other according to the Excel sheet. For more tutorials like this, please like and subscribe. See you later.